First, I start by drawing a basic rectangle and divide it into 2 square shapes. Then, I sketch this curve to outline the skull, or the shape of the head. Next, I measure this part and draw another line, the same height, like this. Now, we'll use this line as his chin. We're gonna draw a male face, actually, okay? Draw a diagonal line for his jawline, then connect it to the skull with this small diagonal line. All right, time for another curve to finish the skull. This area here is the forehead. So let's go ahead and add his eyebrow. Then we can add his nose with just a few simple lines like this. Upper lip, mouth, lower lip. Now let's finish his chin like this. I'm adding 2 light guidelines to mark the size and position of his ear. Time to draw the sideburn and connect it to the hairline like this, and complete his hairline, doing some fancy things if you want, and finish his hair. I'm sketching a curve for his neck, and I need another one. Then connect it back to the chin like what I'm doing. Now let's add his eye, just 2 tiny curved lines for the eye shape. Then draw the eyeball like what I'm drawing. It's simple. A line for his upper eyelid and a small one for the lower eyelid. Let's bolden this part to give him some eyelashes. And there we go. This is a cool side face, isn't it, guys? Now, let's add a shirt collar so his head is not hovering anymore in space. Finally, we finish up the last part of his hair. I think we've got a nice male side face. Just let me clean up the extra lines to make his face clearer. That's it. All right, what do you think, guys?